Let us discuss the most interesting module in DigiGate, that is emergency module. If resident clicks on emergency module, we have categorized into 4 sections such as medical emergency, raise fire alarm, raise theft alarm, and raise water alarm. If resident clicks on any of this module, he will be navigated to a screen where he just need to tap on that bell icon. If he clicks on that bell icon, an alert pop-up will be shown and also a confirmation stating that a notification will be sent to the guard. Press OK to confirm. If I click on OK button, a string stating that emergency alarm has been raised will be shown and necessary actions will be taken by security guard and also the society admin.